Now, basically, according to DORA, you'll have to focus on 10 key areas for documentation. The first one will be about governance, so basically the top level cybersecurity and business continuity policies that define how senior management needs to control, how it needs to make sure that this cybersecurity and resilience is in full order. So in other words, this is about governance. Then the second area is around asset management, risk management and business impact analysis. So this is where you list all of your assets, define which are the most critical. You assess all the risks related to these assets, and also through the business impact analysis you define the recovery time objective, recovery point objective. So this is a kind of, let's say, analysis. And then the third area is really this digital operational resilience strategy, where you summarize all this information and basically define your plan on how you're going to implement all of these cybersecurity and resilience measures. And then the fourth area are, of course, cybersecurity measures themselves, and this is probably going to be the one that will have the most documents, so access control policy, password policy, encryption policy, and so on and so forth. The fifth area will be around business continuity, so here you'll have the crisis management plan, business continuity plan, disaster recovery plan, incident response plan, business continuity testing plan, and so on and so forth. The sixth area will be around how you manage third-party ICT risk, mainly through supplier security policy, but you need to have these ICT service exit strategies and some other documents. The seventh area will be how you handle incidents, so basically incident handling policy, but also how you will learn from incidents that happened in your entity. The eighth area will be around how you manage human resources, starting from how you actually sign security clauses with your employees, how you train them, how you make them aware, how do they learn about their security responsibilities, and so on. Ninth area will be around digital operational resilience testing. So you will have this digital operational resilience testing policy, which will define which methods you will be using. For example, various assessments, but also this threat-led penetration testing. But you will also need this digital operational resilience testing program, where you define what will be the timing and responsibilities for each of these tests. And then finally, you will have one area around where you actually control and manage this whole system that includes internal auditing, doing the reviews, and also doing the corrective actions.